There are a number of different tools in the Mosaic Segmentation Portal that allow us to interact with the data that is used for the Mosaic segmentation model. We'll be talking about the Compare tool. The Compare tool shows the similarities and differences between the Mosaic groups and types using statistical information. If we click on Compare, what you'll see is we'll see an individual data point and we'll see the comparison between the different groups and types. Here we're comparing the index values. So as you see here, we have the index values that anchor at 100, and we have the value for each of the groups, so A through S. Now, if we wanted to look at the more granular segments, we would click on types on the left-hand side here, and now we're looking at those relativity index values for each of the 71 Mosaic segments. Here we'll see that it's sorted by the default, so it's in order from A01 all the way down to S71. But if we wanted to rank order them to say, which of the groups are most likely to exhibit characteristics or be part of groups, we can click on the rank button here and it rearranges our segments. And so now we're looking at them rank ordered by their index value. And we can scroll through to see which of the groups have the highest index values. Now here we're looking specifically at age of children 4 through 6, but we can look at any of the data points that we've explored in previous tips. Here we can say, we can look at head of household age. So if we wanted to see head of household age between 46 and 50 years old, we'll see here that again, it rearranges and it rank orders each of our 71 segments by their value, by their index value.